तुम अगर मनाओगे तो मान जाऊंगा, मैं तेरे बुलावे से लौट आऊंगा। मैं हर कदम पे कॉन्फिडेंस तेरा यूं ही बढ़ाऊंगा। अगर तुझे थोड़ा भी डर लगे तो EW तुम आ जाना, फिर से मिलूंगा मैं तुमको यहाँ, जो ना मिलूं तो बता देना। कभी मुझे देर जो हो जाए, छोटा सा कॉल मिला लेना, मैं फिर से मिलूंगा हंसता हुआ, जो ना मिलूं तो सजा देना। Finally, let me congratulate you because today we are going to have a wonderful session that is called public speaking. Okay, the topic is really close to my heart, as you already know about the topic. The topic is fear, how to overcome of your fears. So let us begin this session. It's gonna so hilarious, so tantalizing. So let me invite here, yeah, brand ambassador of EW. Let's have a big round of applause for Mr. Miss Janvi. Come. Yes, ma'am, today talk about fear, okay?
Yes, sir.
How did you overcome your fear? And what are your fears? Yes, please have this. Now time is yours. Stage is yours. Okay, everything is yours.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Janvi Koted. So let's talk about the fear. What is a fear? Fear is a dumb feeling, actually. You know what? It's just a feeling that stop you from your dreams and everything in your life. Fear has a two meaning, I think. Forget and sleep, and you have to face your fears and shine. Okay, so every human have a specific fears. Okay, some have a fear of height, some fear of speaking in public, like me. I have a lot of fear of speaking in English in the public also, but thanks to sir that I can speak in English like little bit and in public also. And I think fear is like I already told you, fear is a dumb feeling. You have to find out what is your fear in your life, then work on that. Otherwise you will never be in a shine in your future, because future is just fear. क्या बोलना था? Okay. हाँ. Fear is like a small poison. एक जहर है जो अगर एक बार आपके अंदर चला गया तो आप कभी भी ऊपर नहीं उठ सकते. तो उस जहर को हटाने के लिए आपको पता लगाना पड़ेगा कि इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है. Just face your fears, because you know what, fears never give you chance to shine in your future. So please face your fears and it's nothing like it's a piece of cake. It's halwa. So please, yeah.
Okay, so tell me, do you have any fear now? Fear of speaking?
No, I don't think so. I have a. I don't have a fear of speaking in public. Thanks to sir already, but in future I think I will speak in more like in fluency and in more like without hesitation. I am just a beginner right now, but like let's see what will happen in future. But yeah, when I was in the class, when I was like, when I started this class, I don't even I think so my voice will come out like this and I will speak like that. But now I have a confidence that I can speak like Everyone have a fear. It just you have to courage to face that fears, and you have to like face your fear. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. So how did you overcome your fear?
First, I just find out like I have a fear in speaking in English and also fear of speaking in a lot of people. So yeah, I just found this coaching and start this coaching, and now I can speak. Like you have to find out what is your fear, then you have to work on that. You can't just like accept your fear and just sit down and like that. So yeah, you have to face and practice on that. So your fear will go. So just find like your fear. What is your fear? Like,
You see me.
yeah. Yes, you can see me like that. I don't know what. I don't have a fear what I am trying to speak, but I'm just speaking like that. Yeah. So
So do you need this? Do you need this?
if you have a fear of speaking in public, speaking in English, so please join this EW. ये तो easy है.
Easy hai, exactly easy hai. So today we are going to talk about fear. What is fear? Fear is nothing. I'm saying it's a piece of cake. It's halwa. It's halwa puri. Okay, so fear. As Janvi has told us already, like fear has two meaning. Okay, so let me tell you. Fear. First of all, face, F, you know face. E, everything. A, and. R, rise. Like face everything and rise. Recently I faced my fear. I have fear of singing and I did it. So this is the secret to do what scares you. Fine. Singing scares me and that's I did it. And second, forget everything and of course rise. अरे भूल जाओ सब कुछ. I'm saying why are you so afraid? अरे man, no, it is not like born, okay? Arey, actually it is built in this world. No one could get birth like with this confidence, but it can be built. If you wanna like build your confidence, hey, come here, okay? Yes, come here. I will tell you how could you overcome your fear. How did I overcome my fear?